Dudley Tool and Presswork Engineering are toolmakers and presswork engineers. We've got 22 production staff and 10 admin or support staff. After implementing NAV, we had a 25% increase in turnover and demand for our products. We had the capacity in the system to be able to deal with it. We'd taken the duplication of work out of the system, the guesswork had been taken out of the system, the planning had been properly formulated, so it meant that there was an ability there for us to react and to be able to meet the orders that were coming in. NAV gave us the opportunity to better plan the work going onto the machines, to better plan the throughput of the work through the factory, to better plan the labour. Before moving over to NAV, we had worked with up to 11% of total wages paid as being overtime, and within 12 months of implementing that, we'd got overtime down to 3% of the total labour paid. The more that you can keep the presses running, the more money you're making. So one of the things that we really wanted to concentrate on was improving that runtime. Traditionally we'd run 12, 13 automatic machines. We never could break away from the 30% running time of machines, which was just appalling. Now, looking at the average across all the presses, we get towards the 50% mark, which, you know, is a very, very good improvement. Credit control, that's been fantastic for us, because what we did straight away early on is integrate it with some fax software, and basically we get to the end of the month and bang, the statements go out, there's no delays, the system is totally up to date. If it goes out the door, it's straight onto the ledgers, we're chasing for the money straight away. And it's left credit control more time to be chasing for the money and finding out when it's coming in, rather than actually sort of folding bits of paper and sending it out. It does promote you up the payment list, there's no doubt about it. So instead of being on the third tranche of payments that might go out, all of a sudden you're pushing yourself onto the first batch of payments. When we moved over, we went into a process where all the stock items there, the customer details were all there. Literally all we were doing is putting in a quantity in that was required and a date that was required. And bang, it's in the system, it's live. It was fantastic. The knock-on for ordering materials for production, straight away the material was flagged, and it was a case of, yes, do we want to order it? Press the button, let's order it. And we managed to reduce the investment in stock by 25%. It's been a fantastic system, it's been reliable and it's been stable. I would confidently say that we paid back the costs within sort of 18 months, and after then it's all been bottom line profit really.